I'm a 25 Bravo, which is information technology specialist, but I am on a defensive cyber operations element for the state of South Dakota. My primary role is to help defend networks. If there's a security incident where, like, an electrical company is attacked by malicious adversaries, they can activate the Army National Guard to help them defend their network and recover from it. It is probably one of the fastest changing fields out there. But we're constantly coming up with new ways to attack and then to defend against those attacks so that we're always ahead of people who would be malicious and try to damage us. You kind of have to know your enemies better than you know your friends, right? A lot of the security that we implement is based on actual attacks that have happened and attacks that can happen. Probably the number one vulnerability is people. The less you divulge about yourself, the better, because people can't use that against you.